Hi guys, welcome back to TWN TV. I'm Lisa Hayim, your registered dietitian. Today we're here at the TWN Academy talking all things plant protein. If you know me, you know that I absolutely love plants. I love fruits, I love veggies, I love legumes, I love grains, I love it all. While I support whatever type of diet works for you, I encourage all of my clients, my friends, and my family to explore eating more plants and perhaps swapping out some of the meat-based sources they consume with delicious plant-based protein. I'm a strong believer in balance, and part of balance means diversity within your protein sources throughout the day, week, month, and even the complete year. Today, I'm spilling the beans, no pun intended, on my top 5 sources of plant-based protein. Let's jump in. Number 1, protein powder. I absolutely love plant-based protein powders. They blend seamlessly into nut milks, can be easily added to smoothies, or even used to amp up your baking. You are going to want to look for one that has a blend of different protein sources, so you can get that complete protein that has all the amino acids. You're also going to want to steer clear of ones with too much added sugar, unnecessary, too much artificial sugar, gross, or any other weird ingredients that many protein powders sneak in. This right here is a pre-made protein shake from Owen that is perfect for athletes or on the go. I usually just throw this into my gym bag and then take it right out when I'm on my way out the door. What I love about Owen, which happens to stand for only what you need, is that it's just that. It contains protein, actual veggies, including kale, spinach, and broccoli, plus omega-3 fatty acids from flax seeds. It's got a touch of sweetness that makes it actually enjoyable and easy to drink after a workout where your body needs to be replenished with all those micronutrients, protein, and inflammatory fighters. Next up, we've got lentils, and I absolutely love lentils. They are an all-time favorite protein source. They are loaded with fiber, both insoluble and soluble. That means that once they make their way into your body, they expand in the stomach, helping you to feel fuller longer. They also help with digestion, moving things along. Half a cup of lentils, just half a cup, provides 26 grams of protein. That is the same as a 4-ounce piece of steak, just about the size of my palm. I also love red lentil pasta. I make it 3 to 4 times a week at my house. There are amazing brands out there that feature just red lentils as the ingredients. Just red lentils, that's simple. So you're going to want to look for that ideally. Moving on to organic edamame. Soy gets a really bad reputation, with many believing that it stimulates the growth of breast cancer cells. However, there's actually just as much evidence to suggest that the isoflavones, which are found within soy, are actually cancer protective. When choosing soy, opt for organic, because so much of our soy is actually genetically modified. When it comes to soy, edamame is as unprocessed as it gets. Next up, hemp seeds. Not only do 3 tablespoons come in at 10 grams of protein, they're also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are super important for inflammation fighting. They have a deliciously nutty flavor that make for great salad toppers. So at the end of a salad, sprinkle a couple on and call it a day. Lastly, we have nori, also known as seaweed. 100 grams of nori has 50 grams of protein. You're unlikely to eat that much nori, but the average sheet, which is about the size of a dinner napkin, contains 3 grams at just 10 calories a sheet. It makes for an excellent protein-loaded snack. I personally like to dip mine into soy sauce or Bragg's amino acids, or use it to make my own homemade sushi. There you have it, my top 5 plant-based protein sources that you can get started on today.